Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I have to tell you about this skincare trio that I got. I just love it. I have like super sensitive skin. I break out very often, and this helps keep my skin very clean, not irritated, and I just love it. First, I start off with the cleanser. I rub it in really good. Then I take my washcloth, wash my face. Then after that, I take the serum, which is in a small tube. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Once I rub that all in, I take the moisturizer. Same thing. You only need a little bit. And if you see before and after, my skin is definitely better. Looks more refreshing. It looks replenished. And it looks nice and golden. I love it. So really, whatever skin type you are, you can use this product. Like I said, my skin is super sensitive and I just love this stuff. It does not irritate my skin. It actually cleans it and makes it look more glowy, way better than looking dry and flaky. So I would highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.